Hey everyone, in this video we will look at the printing options available in the Power BI service for a report. So let's start. I'm already logged into the Power BI service here and I'll go into Learn to Excel workspace and I'll click on one of the reports and I'll click on my report and you can see it's got two pages, page 1 and page 2. So let me just reset to default. I think I've already got some filters in here. So this is what the page 1 looks like. So let's say if I want to print the pages, all I need to do is go to File and then click on Print. But you have to be aware that it will only print the current page. So if you want to print both the pages, you'll have to print them like one after the other. So now let's say if I click on the print option and it shows me the options. So the options and the way you can see these options will change depending on the browser that you're using to log into the Power BI service. But you will see this. So it's here, my destination is PDF, but I can also send it to a printer or I can send it at other places. And then I can, even with all, it's just letting me print page 1. And so the layout, I can keep a portrait or I can keep a landscape. But I can see that I need to make some changes. Landscape looks much better for this report. And then I can click on more settings and look at the page size I want, the page sheet, margins, and I can select the other options. And then again, these options might change depending on the browser you're using. So that's one. So I'll just cancel it for now. I'm not printing anything. Now, if I wanted to print page 2, I'll probably have to select page 2. And not probably, I will have to select page 2 and then I'll again have to go print. And you can see now that it is showing me page 2 and I can select wherever I want to send it to and print that. So in this video, we've looked at how to print a report using the Power BI service. I hope you find this video useful and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Do let me know if you would like me to take any specific topics. Cheers, bye.